Hello bachcho, let's read this question. 5 grams of a gas is contained in a rigid container and is heated from 15 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. The specific heat capacity of the gas at constant volume is 0.172 calorie per gram per degree Celsius, and the mechanical equivalent of heat is 4.2 joules per calorie. We need to calculate the change in internal energy of the gas. ठीक है बच्चों. Now to solve this question we can use the equation dq is equal to du plus dw. So in that equation dq is equal to dw plus du, we have the change in volume is going to be equal to 0 since it's a rigid container. So since the change is going to be 0, we have dq is equal to du plus dw. In that dw, we can say that since dv is equal to 0, since it's a rigid container, we can say that dw is going to be equal to 0. Now since dw is equal to 0, we can say dq is nothing but equal to du. Now what it's been given that cv, the specific heat at constant volume, is given to be 0.172 calorie gram inverse degree celsius inverse. So now using dq is equal to du, we know the formula for du. Du is nothing but m s delta t for a given process. Now here s is nothing but going to be cv because the specific heat for this process is at constant volume, so we can directly take cv. So the mass of the gas is going to be 5 grams, so 5 grams times the cv 0.172 times the delta t. Since it's going from 15 to 25, we can say the delta t is 10. So this value comes out to be 8.6 calories. Now the mechanical equivalent of heat is given to be 4.2 joules per calorie. So to convert this into joules, we can say 8.6 into 4.2. So this value comes out to be 36.12 joules. ठीक है बच्चों? So this is the final answer for this question. This is the change in internal energy of this gas, 36.12 joules. I hope you understood how I've solved this question. Thank you very much.